Hi guys, welcome to the how-to video, how to wheelie on a wheelchair. Now, the first step is to get comfortable on your wheelchair. You have to put your bum to the back of your backrest and make sure that you are sitting upright. Then, the second step is to just tip your wheels like this, but like just slightly from the ground, so that you get used to when your wheelchair is going to lift up its wheels. Then you can start doing it higher until you feel you've reached your center of gravity and tipping point. Once you've mastered that, you can now lean backwards so that you start tipping so far behind that you have to correct and actually move backwards with your chair. This will allow you to get more comfortable in your sitting position and not fall over. Once you've mastered that, start going back and forth, always correcting your balancing. Then if you need to lift up your wheels more, the trick to do that is actually to lay forward in your wheelchair. You see, your wheels go higher. So if you need to wheelie up a step, this is the way to do it. So you can actually go quite far. So that's the height of the step that you can go up. So yeah, just by leaning forward. Okay. And to practice your wheelies, if you've never done it before, I mean, it's quite a scary thing at first, but you can get proficient within 1 week of doing this exercises every day. And then you can actually start doing twirls and stuff without any fear of falling over. Okay, yeah, that's the how-to video of doing wheelies. You guys can leave a comment asking any questions and I will see if I can answer them for you. Just for fun, I'll ask my brother to practice his wheelies on my wheelchair and then we'll see if he can do it, or maybe he'll fall over, because this wheelchair is very, very tippy.
Hey everyone, look at those shoes. We call that pantoffels. Good skill, brother, good skill.
Okay. Cheers guys. Hi guys, this is my brother Jan.
Guys, I'm gonna fall over.
He's gonna attempt the wheelie for his first time. So you'll see him trying to go up. It's quite difficult. Whoa, amper daar. He's doing it, guys.
Oh snap. It doesn't feel comfortable.
Try
No, I'm not gonna.
turning around.
Nope. Okay.
Cool, the wheels are off the ground.
Wait. Whoa.
Whoa!
Wow.
Oh, that was close. So if he didn't kick out his leg there, he would have tipped over. One of the advantages of having legs that work.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do one turn. Let's first get my balance.
Oh yeah.
Cool.
Well done.
Wasn't that bad.
Well done.
Woo.